This AI tool will not only help you grow your business and content creation, but it will save you time and money. Let's get into it. The path for this video is understanding NotebookLM, set up your notebook, ask AI smart questions, generate content and reports, repurpose and scale, optimize, automate, and results and next steps. Not only will this AI, like I said, help you to grow your business and grow your content creation, it will save you time and money. So one of the amazing things about NotebookLM is that it's able to be safe and secure, and you're able to use content in there that won't get shared out more broadly. So it means that you can use your business files, you can use things that you want to keep in a private context, and it will keep it in a certain kind of hidden notebook where you can then ask questions about it, you can create podcasts with it, you can do all sorts of different things to analyze multiple sources of content. When you first come to NotebookLM, this is the page that you're going to be presented with. Once you've logged in with your Google account, you have the chance here to upload documents, and NotebookLM will answer detailed questions or surface key insights. You can convert complex material into easy to understand formats like FAQs and briefing documents, and you can add key resources to a notebook and share with your organization to create a group knowledge base. But let's go into it right now and create. In this example, I'm going to add some sources, and I'm going to upload all sorts of sources from different places. But the choices you have here is you can drag and drop PDFs, text files, Markdown, audio files, MP3s, Google Documents, Google Slides, websites, YouTube videos, and copy text. I'm going to open up a lot of different things from YouTube and see if I can get it to give me like an overview of, say, my YouTube channel, to help me to grow my channel and to make it into a more successful channel. So here we are. Going to look at the top performing videos on the channel. So we've got the most popular videos here, and I'm just going to grab these, share and copy, and then go back in here and click YouTube and paste that one there. Then I'm going to go back in here and click again, share and copy, go back in here, and we want to add another source. So it's going to click YouTube video and paste. I'm just going to keep going through and adding all of the top videos currently on my channel. I think I'll just do the top 8 videos for now. Now I'm just going to go into the YouTube studio of my channel and download some of the Excel files with the data with the CSV comma separated files. So we're just going in the back here. I'm going to go to YouTube Studio, and we're going to go to Analytics, and we're going to go to Advanced mode, I think it's in here, Download, Google Sheets, New tab. Yes, let's get all of the data for the last 90 days and download it here into Google Sheets. So here we are in Google Sheets. You're going to have to save this as a PDF because it won't take an Excel sheet. Okay, so now I should be able to access that PDF. So I'm going to choose the files here, going to go to downloads, and there's the pure. So now I've exported as PDF, here's the pure content production PDF. So now we've got that PDF in there, which is the breakdown of the channel's data. So now we've understood the layout of NotebookLM and we've uploaded the sources that we want to use. We now need to ask smart questions.
Based on the data from the PDF for pure content production, YouTube channel, and the YouTube videos uploaded that correspond with that, what lessons can be learned to improve the content going forward to 10 times the views, the watch time, and the click-through on pinned comments?
Based on the provided YouTube video transcripts and the accompanying data for pure content production, YT data 4th of February 2025. Here are some lessons and strategies to potentially 10x views, watch time and click-through rates, CTR on pinned comments to a private AI community. Content focus and audience engagement. Prioritize tutorials and practical applications. The channel's best performing videos in terms of watch time are those that provide tutorials and demonstrations, how to use AI tools. For example, the Create Cinematic AI videos with Runway Gen 3 has 68.8 watch hours, and the AI video generator Make Movies has 41.9 hours. These videos offer practical value and viewers are likely to watch them for longer to learn how to use these tools. Videos like 10 CapCut and AI hacks you need for jaw-dropping edits in 2025 directly provide actionable content. Capitalize on how-to content, videos that explicitly promise to teach viewers how to achieve something specific, like how to get 4,000 hours watch time fast, or how to use AI for your content strategy in 2025, tend to perform well, especially when they provide actionable steps. Address specific pain points, identify common challenges content creators face, such as background removal, audio enhancement, or generating music. Then create videos that offer solutions using AI tools. The live stream mentioned in, I think if you click on 4, it will show you in this one here, in 4,000 watch hours. Well, it literally clicks into the whole, you can see like the whole transcript here for that video. It's referencing that video. Shows significantly higher watch time, which indicates the potential of live content. 2. Content format and presentation. Longer form content, or some short videos are included in the data. The higher performing videos by watch time are often the longer tutorials. This indicates that viewers prefer in-depth explanations and demonstrations of how to use AI tools and processes. Visual quality and effects. Use AI to create visually engaging content. Videos like create cinematic videos with Runway Gen 3. Leveraging AI tools. Showcase a variety of AI tools. The channel reviews a wide range of AI tools, which is useful to viewers. Be sure to focus on the most effective ones, such as Runway, Kling AI, Suno, 11 Labs, CapCut. Demonstrate new features. Highlight the latest updates, features of these tools, such as elements, features in the Kling AI or the camera controls in Runway. Provide real-world examples. Showcase practical applications of AI tools using real-world examples. The use of a biblical story of Joseph shows how AI tools can be used to create full video narratives. The goal is to increase click-through rate from pinned comments to your private AI community. Therefore, calls to action need to be very clear in the videos, and especially in the pinned comment, use a direct call to action like join our community for more AI tips. It should also highlight a benefit of joining the private AI community. Get access to exclusive content, hands-on support and weekly live calls. By the way, yeah, you get access to Google Meets and a community of people who are very excited and diving into all the latest AI tools to help them to utilize these kind of things to plan, to grow and to earn more on YouTube. So encourage with comments, respond to comments, yeah, offer incentives, provide exclusive content, consistent promotion, promote the private community, create a sense of urgency. And that's true, there is a sense of urgency because for the first 30 people that join the community for AI tools for content creators and businesses, it's just $24. Once we reach 30 people, we're at 25 right now, then it will be $48 a month. But it's a 7-day free trial, so you can jump into the community and see what it's all about and try it for free without any risk to yourself. Data-driven optimization. Analyze metrics. The channel should regularly analyze metrics such as views, watch time, CTR, and subscriber growth to identify what performs best. Specific improvements based on the data. Is NotebookLM about to change the world forever? This video has 674 views but very low watch time, under 1 hour. Although the topic's interesting, the presentation may need to be more engaging. Emphasize the practical applications of the tool rather than just the theory. Focus on how the tool could be used to create content quickly and efficiently. So how to get 4,000 watch hours. So you know what we're going to do now. Based on this that it said to me, we're going to ask it, what do you think the next 10 videos I should make are? So the thing about Google NotebookLM is you've got YouTube that's owned by Google, and you've got Google NotebookLM helping you to grow your YouTube channel. So now we've got 10 videos that's suggesting for me for the next 10 videos. So let's just have a look at one of these. Okay, based on the previous analysis and the goal of 10xing your results, here are 10 video title and hook suggestions designed to maximize views, watch time and click-through rates to your private AI community. These titles focus on practical applications, clear benefits and current trends in AI video creation, drawing directly from what has performed well in your previous content as identified in our previous conversation. Title: AI Video Editing Masterclass from Beginner to Pro in 1 hour. And then the hook: stop wasting time on complex video edits. In this masterclass, I'll reveal the exact AI tools and techniques to transform your videos from basic to breathtaking in just 60 minutes, even if you've never edited before. Plus, join our private community for access to exclusive templates and live Q&A sessions. This title plays into the how-to theme that works well. It promises a quick transformation and a concrete benefit. The hook highlights speed and simplicity, appealing to beginners while enticing them to join the community for extra support and resources. So let's look at the next one. Secret AI music generator for YouTube. Get unlimited royalty-free tracks. Tired of copyright strikes? Discover the AI music generator that creates epic background scores tailored to your content. Join our community and get exclusive prompts to create unique royalty-free tracks in seconds. You know what, if you join our community, I will drop some of the AI music that I've used to create some of my videos, which I'll let you use for free in your videos as well. So then one of the other features you could do with all of this information is you can create a podcast where it can share with you and talk with you about the questions that you want it to talk about and give you a real deep dive on all of this information in a practical way. So let's ask it to help us with this. So as a content creator creating videos on the latest AI tools for businesses and individuals to plan, create, grow and earn on and through YouTube, please discuss and share the best strategy for this. Also plug the exclusive AI community on school, link in the pinned comments, discuss the best way to 10x views, watch time and click-through rate for the pinned link to the private AI community where this whole podcast will be available. And let's click generate. So here we are inside of the private AI community that was just created just a couple of weeks ago. And it's a place where people can come together and plan, grow and earn on YouTube using social media tools, no matter the kind of content you make. And in this group, what we do is we show you the latest AI tools for creating content. We have interactive deep dive tutorials where we have Google Meets and we jump on them. And here's like a picture of like the latest Google Meet we just had literally this evening, just before I recorded this. It was an incredible Google Meet. And Emma, who is from the AI Advantage Academy, shared on all of the latest information on how to integrate AI into businesses, all of the different things that involves, and also talking about things like government regulation and oversight, and talking about how AI can be integrated into businesses to help in every way. So at the moment, to join the group is just $24 and there's a 7-day free trial included, but soon the cost will be $48. And inside of this group, what you get is you get access to a community of people who are looking to grow their content and work alongside and help you grow your content too. And you get access to all of the previous Google Meets where we've talked and shared on different things. I could bring this up quickly, like this is tonight's Google Meet where Emma went over loads of incredibly valuable information on AI. And then on Sunday, just recently, we went over the NIM platform and talked about all the different tools that they have on there for creating video. And the week before that, we looked at AI image creation using the latest text to image tools. And what we have in here also is weekly challenges. The first week was to design and create a thumbnail using text to image, and this was the thumbnail that was created using text to image, one of the thumbnails, and that was using Flux, and literally that was just created with a text prompt straight to image, the words, everything, no editing. And then the next week, which is the current week right now, the second week, we've been creating videos using the NIM platform. And one of the members inside the group, literally, this is their submission of the video right here. And it's meant to be a biblical scene where the prophet calls down fire upon the altar. So these are the kind of things that you get inside the group. You get access to special deals, which will be available soon for different platforms, where I'm reaching out to different platforms to get special deals to use their tools. NIM platforms looking at giving me a special deal for students inside the group. And then we have things like special guests who have been invited to come in and share different tools with us as well. So it's an incredibly exciting platform, and we're aiming to have a physical meetup later in the year as well. So if that's something you'd like to get involved in.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. This time we're going to be talking all about AI tools and how you can use those to really boost your YouTube success. And specifically thinking about how you can create videos about those tools for businesses and individuals who want to up their YouTube game.
Yeah.
So you sent us a ton of info articles, videos, even some of your own data.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really all about this intersection of AI and video creation. So what we're going to do in this deep dive is help you take all this info and turn it into something actionable for your own channel. And by the way, don't forget to check out the link to our exclusive AI community on School that's down in the pinned comments. It's an amazing resource for connecting with other creators, getting tips, and staying ahead of the AI game.
Yeah, it's a really valuable resource for anyone who's serious about using AI to grow their YouTube channel.
Now, you mentioned that you want to boost your watch time hours, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's like the holy grail for any YouTube creator
Absolutely.
who wants to get monetized.
And, you know, one of the sources that you said, how to get 4,000 hours watch time fast, points to something that seems really simple, but it's super effective.
Yeah.
Live streaming.
Live streaming.
So there's a really cool mode here where you can also have like an interactive mode. So I'm going to go into the interactive beta now. So allow while using the site. And what this does is allows you to interact with the hosts as they're talking.
So you sent us a ton of info articles, videos, even some of your own data. It's really all about this intersection of AI and video. Oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Yeah, it was I that sent you the videos and the data for this, not your co-host. It was me.
And it's true, your insights have been invaluable, and they're helping drive our whole discussion.
Okay, so you're the one who really wants to boost those watch time hours, right?
Exactly. And one of the sources that you said, how to get 4,000 hours watch time fast, points to something that's super effective.
Okay, what's that?
Live stream.
Live stream. So in the source,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's true. Like live streaming is really good for boosting your views. Not only do you get like the watch time, but like imagine like 10 people are watching at the same time. You get 10 times the amount of watch time for 1 hour. And the thing is, I've been live streaming every day on my other channel, Barnabas Dawson, where weekdays I'll be talking about how to grow your YouTube channel and how to monetize it. And I've really seen the channel really boost in watch time hours, not just on the live videos, but on all the videos from the whole back catalog, which just makes me think that when you live stream consistently, YouTube literally wakes up to the whole of your channel and starts sharing it more.
that's an awesome real-world example of how powerful live streaming can be and how that consistency can really help your channel.
Yeah, that's what's fascinating here. It's not just about the live stream itself. It's like you're saying, it seems to give a boost to your whole channel.
It's like that rising tide lifts all boats idea, you know?
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this really highlights how much audience interaction matters.
Okay, so building on that idea of engagement, let's dive into some of the AI tools that can really help make that content. Because you can't just live stream all day, every day.
Right. One of the sources you sent, create jaw-dropping videos with no experience using AI, highlighted some of those must-haves.
So you can see that we've understood NotebookLM, we've set up our notebook, we've asked AI smart questions, we've generated content and thought about scaling our content, repurposing. You could do that as well. You could ask it to create new videos based on the videos you've done already. Or we optimized by asking the AI questions within the conversation and within the chat window. And the results and next steps is that we've got 10 video ideas to make to 10x the channel going forward. So if you stayed this long, you found the video very interesting. And if you'd like to dive deeper into this and hear the full podcast generated by Google NotebookLM, then you can check it out on the AI Tools for YouTube Creators community. The link is in the pinned comment below and in the description. And if you'd like to see any of the past videos on this channel, make sure to click them here and here. And remember to subscribe, let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.